One sec, I will do Google Translate. Perfect. It's my favorite color. My favorite color. อร่อยมาก Oh, she packed everything. She packed another meal for me. No. Maybe she can cook me something more. L. No, this is okay. Not easy to find some food. I think they have something over here. Let's have a look, guys. Hopefully. Yes. Is it open though? Okay. Hello. Sawadee krap. Are you open? Are you open? You have food? Chai? Cup. Thank you. พูดภาษาอังกฤษ English. English? No, my chai. You have menu. Okay, no menu. You can do. Do you have Guy. Chicken. My chai chicken. Which food is good? Huh? Yeah, some food. Alai. Can you give me some food? Anything is okay. I will just try something. Okay? No food? Food? Are you not open? One sec, I will do Google Translate. English to Thai. Do you have food? Chai. What food? You can noodle, rice, cow. Okay. Okay. Let's. I will show the picture. Okay. What looks good? Maybe this one. That looks good. You can do this one here. Yeah. Khao Pad. Khao Pad Moo. Okay. Đi. Nung cup. Okay. Yeah. Here. And also water. Water. Have here water? Okay. No water there?
อันนั้นก็ได้
Chai.
ได้
Okay. That went so fluent. We were getting some food. Yay. Thank you. Okay, so I can just take water here? Perfect. It's my favorite color. Very nice color. Thank you. Have some water. We'll get some food. I'm not too sure what I ordered, but it looks good. Some yellow rice, probably with pork. Oh, she's gonna cook it fresh. Look at that, fresh. Very good. Oh, you know, you would expect that the people over here speak a little tiny bit English, but even water, they don't know, which is okay. You can just use Google Translate, and we're all good to go. Look at that, guys, all fresh. Very fresh. Very good. Kibat. Huh? Simsibat. Okay. Yeah, 40 baht. There we can see it, guys. Over here. Not too sure what it is, what I ordered. but it's 40 baht. So yeah, let's try. It will be good. I eat everything, to be honest. I eat everything besides squid and corn. Squid and corn I don't really like. For the rest, everything is okay for me. I love it. You know, these authentic restaurants over here, very local. Look at the chairs over here. Yes, where the locals come. Usually that's the best food. Let's have a look how she cooks. Oh, อร่อยมาก อร่อยมาก Fresh, fresh. What is your name? Ah, Huang. Huang. Okay. Huang. So okay, that she understands. What is your name? Some fresh carrots. Very nice. Yeah, I don't think the people over here don't have so many customers. At least I think I only saw one in the village, only one person, and me. Yeah, pretty quiet. Thank you, kaf, kaf, kaf. So how do I say this meal? This meal? How do I say in Thai?
Bikku chai.
Bikku chai? Bikku chai? How do I say?
อ๋อ กล้วย
Name, the name.
อันนี้เหรอ ข้าวผัด
Kapat?
ข้าวผัดหมู
Ah, kapat moo. Okay. Kap, kap. Thank you.
อาหารชั้นนี้นะคะ
Kapat moo. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's try. It's a big meal, to be honest. Wow, look at that. Big meal. For $1. 40 baht. Rice cooked very well. I like the small veggies inside. Normally I never tried like small carrots, so I did add some carrots. Yes, some spices inside, some pork. Very good. It's also not too spicy. In Thailand, most of the dishes are very spicy already in the beginning, but this one is okay. Add in a little bit spicy with an egg on top. So yeah, very good meal. Let's try the soup as well. Wow, wow. This is such wow. The soup Dima. Oh, I love soup. Oh, I like, yeah. Very good. Well, very rich flavor. Soup. Wow, so good. It's kinda a little bit sweet, the soup. Yeah, very good. Perfect with the rice and the pork. Aloy, aloy. I'll try to put the location in the comments below or in the description. So when you come to the village over here, the handicraft village, you can check this out. Such a good meal. Yeah, all fresh. Very good. I think they just opened over here. Am I your first customer today? Me first today? Chai. Yeah, first customer. I think they just opened, yeah. Wow. Finally, guys. Always pad thai, khao soy gai. All the other dishes that we tried before, but now something new, something different. I like it. Usually I go for chicken or beef, never pork. It's okay. I like it. And such a big portion over here. Wow. Don't think I will finish it all, to be honest. Really good. Normally the soups that I ate before are a little bit more light of color. This is a little bit darker. So yeah, I like it. Really good. And finally some rain, some cooling off. Yeah, it's like raining here for the past week or two. Every day like a little bit. I like it. I'm so used to like 40, 45 degrees every single day the past couple of months. Now finally some rain. This food is so good. I love it. Very good chef cook. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's raining very hard now. Good. Good for the farmers. It's too much. It's too much. I'm gonna ask to do a takeaway for the rest. Can you pack? Yeah, chai. Wow. Oh, very nice. He's gonna pack it for me. Yes, go. Yes. Oh no, rain. My D. Oh. All your spices. Here we go. Look at this, guys. So much rain. Yes, let's be a little bit adventurous, you know. Let's go through it and have a look. Okay. Kibat, how much? Nung, song, sam, sisip? Pasip? How much? Oh no, my chai. Nung. Wow, she packed everything. She packed another meal for me. No, just packing what I ate. Yeah, nung. I go home, sleep. My child. No. You can eat. You. Chai, you. Oh, yeah, nung. Enough. No, my child. No. Here, just here. This here. Only this. Oh wow. I don't know why, but she made another meal for me. I didn't want another meal, but oh yeah, Dimak. Wow guys, I hope you can still hear me. Now it's storming. I don't know how I'm gonna get home. Okay, Dimak, Kapung Kap. You have scan? Scan? Ah yeah, Kap. Baht, Kap. Thank you. Good. Oh, my chai, look. It's crazy, guys. Anyways, maybe she can cook me something more. I don't know. How long it takes? How long? 5 minutes? 5 minutes? Okay, I'm gonna buy something over here. Thank you. I'm just gonna go for the Arsenal one. Yeah. Where's over here? Not a bad color. Yes. Very good. got a new shirt. Yes, had some. L. No, this is okay. This is a long shirt. I like short. I like short. Yeah. Yes. I'm gonna buy this one. Good. How much? 150. Yeah. I'm gonna give you 150. Do you have scan? Scan. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna end the video over here. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.